Welcome. Welcome. Happy Friday. How we doing? Wolverine, welcome. How was the burgers? Oh, dude, I'm cold right now. I'm actually freezing. Alyssa! Baby girl! Hello, honey bunch. I should write a song for you, Alyssa. I don't know why I haven't written a song for you yet. Eating? I hope they're good. You know what I had? I had a quark drink. I made a drink out of quark, okay? I did it yesterday, last night, when I was super frustrated and mentally struggling. Surprised to see me? Pleasantly. Pleasantly so. I'm glad you're here. How come? No school today? What was I gonna do? Oh yeah. Sweeby, sweeby, sweeble, swoo. Yeah, no school? Hey, nice. How come? What was I gonna do? Gemini. Ah, jeez, I gotta focus. Get it together. All right. Fire the game up. Wait a second. Didn't I? This the. Wait. Didn't I change this yesterday? Yeah. Why is this one? Oh, it still gets overwritten by this one here. Yeah. Yeah, I've been thinking about reworking my entire CSS, which is a lot. And just going with Tailwind. Been thinking about it. Not sure if I should. Oh yeah, that dragon is on these nuts. But the attack still doesn't work. Which is probably what we're gonna do next. Oh. Look at all these caravan attacks. I'm like, wait, I was like, how did the dragon attack my caravan if the server wasn't on last night? The server was on last night because I was dicking around. I was trying to see if I potentially want to replace my CSS. A lot of energy? Not really. I don't get enough sleep or enough food to have a lot of energy these days. So, how are you? How are you feeling? Oh, update successful. Let's restart. Gemini got updated. Beep, 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 beep. Hello, Gemini. There you go. Beep, 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 beep. All right. Let's see. The dragon stuff. Hungry. Feel you. I feel you. Go get some food, honey. What am I going to say here? What am I going to say? Currently, the dragon is chasing caravans and technically attacking them I get the attack mail, but no actual attacks are happening. Dragon is not doing any damage to the caravan leader. Please find out why and fix it. And now I'm gonna... What are we gonna do? Caravan runtime? Combat JS, probably. Combat service. There's something else that I need to add. Let me look at my files here. Gonna help me figure it out. When in doubt, figure it out. So combat service, I'm pretty sure. And then just combat, I think. Combat service, caravan runtime. Yeah, that should be it, actually. All right, let's just fire and forget. Feels like winter here. It is pretty cold, yeah. It gets dark quick. Gets dark early. It's cold. I was freezing. I was freezing last night. I couldn't sleep well. I was freezing in bed. Even though it wasn't cold in my bedroom, I was just freezing. And I can't sleep well if I'm like cold. So at some point I got up and I put on clothes and I went back to bed. And then I fell asleep for like another hour. Cat helped me with that. I wish my cat would do that. But my cat is currently not sleeping in my bed, and I don't know why. Used to do that a lot, but now my cat's not doing it. Chicken didn't say it was spicy on the packet, holy shit. Well, there you go. Spicy chicken. Spicy. Spicy chicken. Right. I just remembered, wasn't there like the banner thing is broken? Yeah. Honestly, no fucking idea how that fucking thing broke again. I'm terrified because it took me so long to fix that banner maker. You gotta be kidding me. Possible quota limitations in place or slow response times detected. Gemini is unusable these days. It is unfucking usable. Like, apparently, like, none of the fucking AIs actually work. Loves to sleep with me. I can relate. Yeah, usually my cat loves to sleep in the bed. At least he used to. And now he doesn't. I don't know why. Doesn't want to be in bed anymore, which sucks. Because I think I sleep better when he's around. It's just weird to me. He's like sleeping outside in the hallway instead of just coming in and like just cuddling. Yeah, I love, like, I'm a side sleeper. I like to sleep like this, right? Got my blankie here, I sleep like this. And I love when my kitty cat comes here and snuggles up against my chest. It's my favorite. Julian. When a PvE combat is initiated, I'll check. Oh shit. I'll check if the target carrier is the leader of an active caravan. If it's a caravan leader, we'll set the is player flag for that character to false in the combat state. We'll also inject the caravan ID into the... But isn't it already setting the is NPC flag? I thought we did that yesterday. Not in... Oh my god. Why can't I type is NPC flag? I move in my sleep? I don't. I only move intentionally. I wake up and I move and then I fall asleep again. I have no pet. Whose fault is that, brother? How long have I been saying get another bunny? Been saying it for like at least a year or so. Okay? Been telling you to get a bunny. Man, I gotta be honest. I'm a little worried about my projects right now. Because we're making very little progress on the game, and Gemini is behaving absolutely like just like dog shit. Gemini's behaving like dog shit right now. It's slow. It throws errors constantly. What the fuck's going on? You know, same thing. Same thing with Creatools. I've been working on getting the file converter, right? I added video support to it yesterday. And we've taken it out again. Now you can't open... Wait a second. Why does it still say files larger than 2? Wait a second. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I was going to say. It was still loading like an old version, a cached version. That's weird. It shouldn't do that at all. Yeah, I tried video upload. All these fucking browser restrictions. It sucks. It really sucks. Browser restrictions suck so much. The only way to get around it is by having a decent cloud server that I can upload stuff to. And I just don't have the money for it. Two days ago, I was scared and creeped out. Why? What happened? Wasn't that the day you've been on your field trip? Key distinction is between is NPC and is player. Caravan leader is indeed an NPC. Is NPC true? But the original code was unconditionally setting is player true for the character initiating the combat. The combat system uses is player flag to determine if it should wait for user input for the character's turn. A proposed change specifically addresses this by setting is player false for caravan leaders. Well, do it. Get her done. Got a random email message? What kind of random email message? Like spam or something? I get a lot of random email messages. I get a lot of random messages, even on Discord. Like a couple times a week I have people messaging me on Discord, and it's just they're just like from like random Discord servers that I'm on. And I can't show you that. I blocked the person, deleted the chat. Like someone messaged me and they were like, they they say, "Hey, how you doing?" I'm like, "I'm not buying anything." And they're like, "Hey, what do you mean? I'm not selling anything." I'm like, "What do you want then?" Yeah, so I'm going to school and I'm doing this and that and I need some advice. Should I do this and blah blah blah? And I'm like, I'm sick and just some fucking weird ass story. I'm like, I don't know. Like they're like, "What's your advice? What would you do in my situation?" I'm like, I have no fucking idea. I don't even understand your situation. I don't even understand what you just said. And then yeah, okay. Well, what would you like to see my work? I'm an artist. I'm like, go fuck yourself. I knew it. I always know it. I always know. Someone trying to set me up for what? What were they trying to do? Read file package JSON. No, just I'll restart the server. You're not restarting the server, brother. Combat service. Combat service. Servicing the combat. I hope this is fixed now. Because I would really like to move on. Okay, let me actually before I test. I need to add a task here. Fix banner generator. Actually, hi. I gotta fix that. I don't know when that broke and how, because we haven't touched the banner generator in literally since I put it in. So I've literally no idea how that broke. To meet them at a location? Jesus. For what? Drugs? Sex? Why would anyone ask you to meet at a location? That's weird. Do you know that person? All right, let's see if the dragon will actually attack. Dragon these nuts. Hmm. Apparently, the dragon already launched an attack, but I don't think that that did anything. Nope. Let's wait for the next tick. Plan to kidnap me? Oh, that's not good. Yeah, don't talk to weird people on the internet. Yeah, dangerous. Did you tell anyone? Did you tell your mom? Did you call the police? Would you like me to explain the whole entire story? I mean, if you want. But I don't know if that's like something for like the public chat. You have to decide whether you want to talk about that in private or not. Leader is invalid in combat or has no health. In combat, true. So weird. Why is that always the case? I think we have to maybe like deactivate the in combat status. I'm gonna clear that now. Or is it clear stale combat? Manually clearing stale combat flanks. It's wild to me that this is such a big fucking issue that this is just not running properly. Okay. Initiated combat with Caravan 10. So we have initiated combat. I'm still not convinced that this is gonna actually launch an attack here. I was getting ready for bed. They messaged me saying hi and saying they were Emma. Emma! Okay, waiting for the next tick here. Any tickers? Hey, there was a tick. In combat, yeah. I cleared the manually cleared the in combat state. Then the we had this. Let me get that successful thing. Where is it? Yeah, it's so weird that this is we need to get rid of this in combat state, at least for caravans. This is not properly clearing, and it shouldn't matter anyway. The dragon shouldn't care about combat or not. We need to get this attack to finally work. I fucking hate this. This in combat state is so dumb. I don't even think it's needed. Gmail different match like it had Leo or something. Didn't? Okay. Why are they even messaging you? Why are they even like I wouldn't talk to people that I don't know. So weird. So that was your email, yeah? Where they message you. How did they get your email? No idea. It's so weird. Yeah, I wouldn't even respond. Just don't respond to shit like that. That's creepy, yeah. Well, just just try to stay away from shit like that. Just don't even talk to people. It's dangerous. You're a young girl on the internet. Like, it's a dangerous place, honestly. The fuck is this now? The model is overloaded? How is the model overloaded every fucking day? I send 3 messages, it's overloaded. I'm paying money for this. I'm actually not. I mean, I'm kinda am, but I don't know. This is ridiculous. I'm really pissed. I'm really freaking pissed. Gemini has been so unusable lately. I don't even know how to get work done anymore. I'm running out on everything right now. Like, I won't be able to work much on Creatools either the next couple of days. Because I'm running out on usage on like everything. It sucks. This is honestly driving me nuts. This sucks so much, man. I'm tired of this, dude. What am I gonna do now? What am I gonna do? Oh, you know an Emma. I see. That's weird. That's fucking weird. That's two in the morning? What the fuck? No, absolutely never. That is fucking creepy. Where did they want to meet? Was that a place that's actually, in your town? Did they say where they wanted to meet? Gemini CLI error code 503. Gemini CLI error code. Dude, are they using a fucking light mode CLI? I don't even know how you get a light mode CLI. The hell is this? That's like, that hurts to look at. Yeah, that's definitely good. Never click on any links. And honestly, don't even reply to people that you don't know. I mean, I get you thought it was Emma from school, but still. The same problem, impossible work with 2.5 Pro. Yeah. Honestly, man, as much as I love Gemini, it feels like it's unusable these days. It is super slow and it doesn't get shit done. What are we gonna do if this fails, guys? Like, serious question. If my AI doesn't get shit done, what are we gonna do? Refactor combat service. I don't know if that's a good idea. I said no, and they say that they made sexy pics of me and wanted me to click on another link. Yeah. Yeah. And that's just scam shit. You know, I had stuff like that happen where I got a mail and like, hey, I know who you are, blah blah blah. I have videos of you masturbating. I was like, yeah, good. I send out enough of them. I'm not surprised that you have one of them. I send them to enough people. You might be one of them. They're like, yeah, you gotta pay money or I will release the videos of you masturbating. I'm like, yep, I mean, have fun, I guess. It's just scam. It's trying to get you to pay some money. You sound to be a man behind that. Most likely, yeah. Okay. Was that the combat? No, monster service. Okay. Monster service. Save us. What? Okay. What happened here? Why is this so low? I don't understand why this is hanging so low right now. Margin top 150. Why is there a margin top of 150? What if I say MT 50px? Can I even do that? Have I done that? I don't think I've done that. There you go. But we shouldn't have a margin pop. We should have a M auto? Does that work? Do we not have an M auto thingy? It should just be in margin auto, right? So no matter. Yeah, this always stays kind of middled. Let me see if we have an M auto in the CSS in my new giant Tailwind custom CSS. They want me to pay money. Why do they want me to go to a certain location? I feel like it was being set up to be kidnapped. I mean, potentially. I'm not saying they want money from you necessarily, but like oftentimes they're asking for money if you don't do what they want to do, or like they ask for money, or they will release sexy pictures. Where are they gonna have sexy pictures? Where are they gonna get sexy pictures from? Margin auto. Okay, we don't have a margin auto, so we're gonna add that. So there's the wait, where's the margins? There's the margins. Dude, there's so many. Oh my god, there's like it's like hundreds of margins. It's insane. Dude, this CSS is so long. Oh, I need to cut this down. This is insane. All right. So we're going to do M auto, margin auto. And then we're going to do an M0 auto. I don't want to change ya. Okay, where are we at? Where's my browser? There you go. So now I could go in here and I could say this is supposed to be an M auto, and that fixes that issue. Now I just need to apply that here. What is this? It's the index EJS. So yeah, I hope you don't have to deal with this anymore. I hope you don't have to deal with this anymore. They leave you alone. This shit's dangerous. Yeah, I think something could have happened there. Yeah, don't click on links. Don't respond to people you don't know. Just try to stay away from them. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Is this thing? Did I change that too? Why is the login container so low? I don't get it. Oh shit, the stupid. Yeah. Hell yeah, brother. What is that song? This song here? I'll send it over to you if you want. There you go. You use Spotify too? Yeah. Hell yeah, brother. I think everybody uses Spotify. It's just, it's too convenient. It's too good. It's too good. It's too good not to be used. All right, let's see if this caravan logic works now. Probably doesn't. Caravan attack in leader invalid or defeated. Huh. I don't see it defeated. We're definitely getting attacked here. That was 3 minutes ago. I think the caravan might have got defeated, actually. Oh yeah, caravan health 0. Okay, that worked now. That actually worked now. But... oh yeah, and the dragon took damage too. See, dragon lost some damage from attacking the caravan. I will have to kill the dragon now. It's kind of terrifying to kill. Oh, wait, what happened? What happened? It changed the... I don't know why it constantly changes the monster sprite. Get him out of here. Still doesn't properly reload. Okay, so this caravan did not get reset. At least we have a little bit of a progression here. Okay, dragon successfully killed the caravan leader, but caravan did not reset and start over. Please check how the player versus caravan system works and copy the caravan defeat logic. The caravan is supposed to lose 15% of its current cargo and then start over at the start city. I have a bowl tonight. No, my dragon. Hey, there's always more dragons where that one came from, okay? I had to kill the dragon because I needed to get to the caravan that he was sitting on. Meet dragon. Meet Durgan. So are you gonna stream or what? I don't know yet. Yeah, just let me know if you decide to do it. I'll try to tune in. Usually pretty busy at night working on stuff. Not sure how busy I'm going to be tonight because like I said I'm running out of usage on all my AI stuff. So I might not even be able to do a lot of work. All right. So that was what was that? The Combat JS? Yeah. Where you at, Combat JS? We're gonna be. Are we gonna do this tomorrow? Oh shit! I have to log in again. Sorry. Are we gonna do this tomorrow? Are we gonna play New World tomorrow? I think we're gonna play New World tomorrow, right? I think it's happening. Right, I gotta. So this caravan is stuck now. This caravan can't do anything. Actually, wait a second. Let me see what happens if I run a caravan tick. It does move though. It does move. One more movement tick. Caravan's gone. And it brought back 28 beer. Hey, that's what Daddy likes to see. Let's see if we got our health back. No, health is still not back. Um, I'll run one caravan tick again, just to see if there's even a caravan leader. There's no caravan leader. Yeah. Okay, now the caravan reset. Tell me you have health again. Yeah, we got health again. Fuck yeah, let's go. Now we gotta fix a little bit of a bug here. Let me inspect something real quick. Trying to figure out why my banner maker isn't working. We haven't touched the banner maker in like 2 months. How did it break? How did it break? Huh. So it's not something with the batter maker itself. It's probably something with like the server JS or something. I gotta sneeze. Oh God. I'm so sneezy. Do 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 do. I sneeze when the seasons change. I sneeze like 20 times a day. I'm sneezing a lot. My nose is pretty ravaged. I don't know what it is. It might be allergies, but it's been going on for very long now. I don't know if it's allergies. Maybe it's something else. Maybe it's dust or something. It's pretty dusty in here. I should probably clean my house. Something is definitely causing my nose to constantly be stuffy, constantly be runny, and just have to sneeze a lot. So yeah, maybe I need to just get rid of all the dust. Ah, come on. Model is overloaded. Overloaded my nuts. Come on. Stop it. Let me see if yeah. That works. Kind of tired of having these issues constantly. I just want to be able to breathe. Like I can't even sleep properly because my nose is constantly stuffy. I don't know if you guys know that, but if you like when you wake up in the middle of the night and your nose is like just stuffy and you can't breathe properly, it's horrible. You wake up in the middle of the night, you have like the driest mouth. Your mouth is like literally, it doesn't even feel alive anymore. It's like so dry. Feels like the desert, man. Bop, 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 beep-beep-dee-doo, beep-beep-dee-doo. All right, Gemini, are we getting it done or what? All right, come on, Gemini. It's hard to get shit done. We've been live for almost an hour and I haven't really done much. I haven't really done much. Okay, so this fix should probably also fix the caravan missing cargo display. I hope it is fixed. It would be nice if it was. And it is not fixed. All right, that's a problem. All right, we gotta tackle that one. What else we got here? Okay. So in the caravan management modal, is there anything else that isn't showing? No, the rest seems correct, yeah. We have a line maximum cargo that is supposed to show how much cargo the current caravan can transport based on the max cargo formula. Lowest population of the two cities. Divided by 2. But it's not showing that. It just says dash. Could you please check why that is? We've been having so many issues with the maximum cargo display, and we fixed it, and now it's broken again. Honestly, no freaking idea why that's a thing. You got this. I wish I got it. Alyssa, I wish. I would fix it myself if I was a programmer. But I'm not a programmer. I can't program. That's why I need AI to do this for me. It's hard-coded to display a hyphen? When did that happen? It's not hard-coded. Did we put a hard-coded hyphen in there? I believe. I love you. Thank you. Well, we'll see if we can do it. Okay, I'm gonna. Am I not on the city? Where am I? Oh, yeah, I'm not on the city. I'm gonna take my beer out of the caravan. Wait, why can't I take the beer out of the caravan now? Do we have the outbound issue again? Where you can't take anything out? Okay, we have to fix that too. This is a separate issue. Legit mind-boggling to me how the caravans have regressed while I wasn't touching them for like a week. I don't know how they broke again. See, this is the problem when you're developing a game. Things just break randomly. Like you're constantly like cleaning up some mess that just happens randomly somewhere. It really sucks. Like you're working on a completely unrelated thing and then you realize that the thing you built like a week ago, it just broke. You don't know when, you don't know how, you don't know why. It's like you knock something over and then when you turn around to pick it up, you knock over 2 more things. And then you turn around to pick those up and then you knock over 3 more things behind you again. It's like you got a fucking stick poking out of your ass. And every time you turn around, you just like that stick just whips around and just like throws something off the table. Just breaks something. Every time you turn around, just bang, bang, bang. You just like you knock shit over. And you just keep breaking stuff. Frustrating. Really, really. Oh my god, what's going on? Oh my god, what is going on? Why can't I scroll this? Like, what the fuck's happening? I don't know what's happening. I can't scroll this anymore. Have I changed something? Yo, what is happening? Everything's breaking. I have no idea why this broke. Maybe I need to take out, let me take out the Tailwind CSS that I put in. Where is it? Oh yeah, so it is the Tailwind CSS that's causing that. I wonder what that is that's causing that though. Oh, it might be the bot. Is it the body thing? I might have to comment out the body thing. Yeah. That was the problem. Body shouldn't be in there. I'm tired, but they become my mom woke me up. They become what? Your mom woke you up? Why? Why can't you just let the little girl sleep, Mom? Why you gotta do this? You know when I got up at like fucking 2:30 in the afternoon today. It's not even 2:30 for you right now. She talks too loud? Oh yeah. I heard your mom talk. She can be loud. She can be. All right, let's see if the caravan stuff's getting fixed. It's getting fixed. And then we have the character page. Bam, bam. Bam, bam. Oh yeah, maximum cargo. There you go. Now it works. Next issue. I can't take my returned cargo out of the caravan modal. I assume the outbound check is back in place. That prevents withdrawal when the caravan is not idle. This needs to be removed. Cargo input and output need to always be available as long as the player is present on the start city. Pew. Very nice. Well, at least we're getting a little bit of work done. No! Shit. Shit. Which song did we just have? I don't know which song we just had. Anybody remember? I mean, when I sent you this one here, it was this one. No, wait, it wasn't. No, it wasn't. What did I send you? Which song? This one, Summer Lights. Okay, we were listening to this one. Yeah. Okay, I found it. Just wanted to look at my my upcoming songs here. There's some good ones on there. Hell yeah, brother. All right, he's struggling with something. What is he doing right now? Man, Gemini is so slow. Let me just try it. He's still trying to like edit a file, but really struggling with it right now. Yeah, I still can't. Still can't withdraw. You exceeded your current quota. How did I exceed my current quota? How is this happening? We've done like 3 little things. And I've apparently exceeded my quota. Oh, man. Honestly, this is very, very frustrating to me. It's borderline unusable. It's borderline unusable. Oh, so right. Sorry. Die. All right. You will survive. I don't know if I will survive. I don't have enough money for food to survive. And if AI keeps fucking me over, then I will never release anything that can make me money. And yeah. Model stream ended with empty response. Please. Please, Gemini! I don't have the patience. This shit could help. Yeah, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright. That's not the fucking problem. What is this thing talking about? Did I upload the caravan thingy? I did. I don't know why I can't withdraw. It should let me. It should absolutely let me do that. Outbound. I can't withdraw the fucking beer. Give me my beer, baby. Get in my belly. Model stream ended with empty response, please. Dude, it's unusable. I literally can't use it. It throws errors every fucking response now. I don't think this is gonna be the solution here. I think this is a wrong thing that he's doing. I hope it works now. I just want to move on, man. I just want to get something done. It's been a really frustrating time for me, not gonna lie. It's tough. There's just so many things right now that make me very, very unhappy. Hey, I can take out my gear, my stuff. Hey, I got beer now. There's so many things that make me very unhappy these days, and I'm not a fan of it. I gotta be honest. Not a fan. I want to be happy. What's a man got to do to be happy? What's a man got to do, huh? I ask you. Anyway, so this is fixed. So let me think about this. We fixed the caravan attack bug. Dragons can successfully attack. I'm gonna commit. Dragons correctly attack caravans now. Then we fix the fixed max cargo display, fixed cargo withdrawal, git push. When in doubt, push them out. All right, so what's the next thing? The banner generator is probably a thing I should look at, but I'm a little worried that Gemini might not be up to snuff here for fixing that. The banner generator. The bannerator. All right, let me inspect the wrong behavior. Yeah. So it is still correctly loading the icons. The icons are correctly loading and the shapes are the issue. This Wait. Didn't we have a color picker? Didn't we have like an internal color picker? I thought we had an internal color picker. Okay, those are all working. The borders are working, but they're like all misplaced. This is working, this is working, this is working, this. Okay, so everything's working, just not the shapes. Still here watching, and I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Anything planned for today except the bowling later? Got any plans? Now let's fix the banner generator. It's like implemented in nation. Is it nation service? So we got nations. Banners.js. Nations banners.js. Nation service. Nations.js. Banners.js. Nation service. It's probably it, huh? Do we have nations here too? We don't. Everything seems to be okay except the shapes. Preview. The shapes are... How are they shown? Yeah. So the shapes should... I mean, they're there. They're there. They should work. They should work. That's really weird. That is so weird. The shapes aren't... shown correctly. I only see a quarter of the shape in the shapes selector and the banner preview. Could you please check what is going on here? The banner generator files itself haven't been modified in like 2 months. So I assume that it is that the problem is somewhere else. Potentially in the server JS. All right. While this is loading, I'll hit the toilet real quick. Very nice. All right, what do we got here? The goal was to have the dynamic, how did he describe it? Have a dynamic route that reads whatever icons are present, so I can easily expand the icon selection without having to tinker with any manifests. This used to work up until recently, so something is breaking it. I don't think the approach itself is to blame. Yeah, honestly, no idea what would actually cause that. I don't want to hard code the icons, because then every time I add an icon, which I might not even do. This is just literally for me to like be able to just grab an icon and throw it in there. Static files before any dynamic page or API routes. Ensures that regardless of the assets, like images, CSS scripts are handled quickly and efficiently by the static server, and only actual page or API requests fall through to the server. I don't know if I like this change. No, I'll let him do it. But we're gonna make a little copy here. We're gonna leave a little copy of the current server JS. All right. Let's see if this fixes the problem and doesn't cause any other problems. Okay. Game looks okay so far. Let's see if the banner thingy is no, now it can't load anything. Now the banner generator can't load any SVGs anymore. Great. Big round of applause. Thank you, Gemini. Thank you. Appreciate it. I removed the dynamic route generation from server. Yeah, it's no big problem. It's just the only thing I said we still needed and we didn't want to get rid of. That's the thing that you removed. Thank you. Appreciate it. Like, I literally explained, this is what we want. This is what we need. This is the thing we can't remove. And he's like, I'm going to remove this. God dang it. All right. Let's hope this is fixed now. And I gotta rework the nation modal. I'm not a fan of how the nation modal looks. Not a fan of it, I gotta be honest. I liked it in the beginning, but it's like, it's too convoluted. It has too many things in it. Like, this part's all fine. I can shrink this down. It's probably a good idea to shrink it down. I kind of like it though. But like all this stuff here. Oh, there's an input field, and there's an input field, and there's a button, there's a button, there's an input field, button, input field, button, input field, button, input field. It's just too much. It's too much. Yeah, same issue. Same issue. Rendered as a corner piece of the actual full SVG. Are you not listening? The shapes are being fetched. They're just not being rendered in full. I only see the... I don't even know what I'm seeing here. I'm not sure what I'm seeing. There's two banners where you don't see anything. It's the first one and the fifth one. I wonder if they go in order of being displayed here. Wait, can Zen not display this? Can Zen not display a freaking... Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. Okay, so this is the first one that we're looking at, but I'm not sure if that is the one. Okay, this one is a lot bigger. This one's a lot bigger than the other one. View box is 200, 300. And this one's quite a bit smaller. This one's filling this thing out completely. Let me see. Then this one is filling it out completely. I think that makes sense. That would mean that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one would have the same issue. Yes. Yes, indeed. That would mean that gotta get the charge. Told you gotta let it plugged in at all times. What if I move this over? Okay. I'm trying to figure out what I'm looking at. But since I always see a corner, except the first two, I think I'm looking at... Wait, what am I looking at? Yeah, we're looking at this. Hmm. So the horizontal thing... What am I looking at? It looks the same on everything. I just see like a little... Okay, I'm just going to describe what I'm seeing. I don't know what's going on. I only see a small quarter in the bottom... Where is it? Right, bottom right corner instead of the full banner shape. The icons are correct. All SVG controls seem to be working. Just the selection preview and the full banner preview for the shapes is bugged. Oh god, I just knocked my shit over. Dude, I'm clumsy today. It's at 1%. How does this happen? You gotta leave it plugged in. Or you gotta get a tablet. They're usually a little bit more sturdy. They don't drop that fast. Is this actually coming from the banner generator HTML? Are we implementing the HTML directly? Probably do, yeah. I told you that none of the banner generator files have been modified in 2 months. It cannot be, I should say, the problem cannot be in those files. They didn't change since the successful implementation of the banner generator. Something else must be causing this. And all our banners have a view box of, what was it? Yeah, whatever. Yeah. What if I do like 600 as the view box? Yeah, it shifts in, but it still doesn't render that. It's not a view box issue. Legitimately no fucking idea what's going on. Why is this broken? Could this be a Tailwind issue? That would be easy to fix then. I'm gonna remove the Tailwind custom and we'll see if this is gonna fix the thing. It is not fixing the thing. No. Nah, it's not. It's not the problem, apparently. This is what the thing actually looks like. It's kind of crazy. Kind of crazy. Is this really what it looked like? That's insane. That's insane. But this can't be the issue, right? If we take out the style CSS, it's not the style CSS that's doing it, right? There's a little bit going on in the style CSS, but not this. Diplomacy CSS, modal CSS. Yeah, I should probably not take out the modal CSS. Yeah, the Tailwind isn't doing anything. Yeah, honestly, I don't know how to fix this right now. This was already such a headache. This was already such a headache implementing it, and now it's like it's broken again. Why would this be an issue? I don't get it. all SVGs, all shape SVGs have a view box. I think it's all of them, right? 200, 300. Let's look at this one here. 200, 300. Yeah. So they're all 200, 300. Yeah. Of 200, 300. Just so you know. I don't think this is the issue, though. I cannot believe that this is supposed to be the issue. Why would that be the this file hasn't changed in 2 months. Why would this cause an issue now if it hasn't changed in all this time? I mean, literally, look at this. Literally 2 fucking months. Literally 2 months to the day. Yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. Anyway, NPM, sorry, he needs to stop. He always wants to, like, control my server, but he can't. If this is the cause of the issue, then I don't know why that would happen. Like, why did it work the entire time and now all of a sudden it doesn't? Yeah, it did absolutely fucking nothing. Why am I not surprised? That did absolutely nothing. I told you that this can't be within the generator files. Oh, you know what? Is that a browser issue? Can this be a browser issue? It's the only thing that really has changed is me using a different browser. Oh my god, it's a browser issue. You gotta be kidding me. It's a fucking browser issue. And we have an actual color picker. We have an actual color picker. Oh my god. You gotta be kidding me. It's a fucking browser issue. I can't believe this. This is insane. Oh, this is so frustrating. See, this is a thing I don't even like really think about most of the time, like inconsistencies between browsers. You would think that in the year 2025, every browser behaves the same. Like the only difference would be like the style or like how tabs are handled, like stuff outside of actually rendering a fucking website. The fact that there's still so many differences between actual like website rendering drives me wild. Like it shouldn't be a thing. Like get on the same fucking page, man. Get on the same freaking page. All right, I hope this is fixed now. Oh yeah, it's fixed. All right, let me make sure it still looks good here as well. We didn't break anything over here. Oh yeah. It's a good feeling. It's a good feeling. Fix banner generator. Boom, you're gone. You're done. Woo, man. What else we got? Is there anything we can bust out real quick? Not even sure if I want to implement this player kill system. We might even call it here. Now that we've fixed a couple of things. There's nothing immediately like jumping out at me that I want to tackle because they're all like longer things. I have to like look up a couple of things or plan this out a little bit better. But I should probably get going with these pretty soon. Trading post, definitely like one of the first things I need to tackle. Armies, I'm really afraid of tackling the army thing. That's such a big, complicated thing that I barely understand, and I have to like, oh, I have to do so much planning for that. Like the whole UI side of things, oh, I'm just getting a headache just thinking about it. Just thinking about it, I get a headache, man. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call it. Fixed a couple of things, not too bad. Let me do a commit here. And thanks for coming. Hope you guys had fun. Hope you enjoyed it. What did I fix? Fixed banner generator. Nice. All right, I'll be back tomorrow. We're gonna play some games tomorrow. Okay, we're gonna do some New World in preparation for the patch on Monday. So we're gonna have 2 days of New World pre-patch, and then do some patching. It feels weird playing video games because I'm kind of like on that game developer kick. You know, like I'm on that grind. But I feel like a lot of people don't like watching this because it's like it's boring. And if you're not like interested in game development and stuff like that, you're probably not gonna tune in. I get it. So yeah, some gaming tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. Hope I don't get angry playing New World. Hope I don't. Anyway, that's it. Enjoy your it's Friday, right? It is Friday. Oh my god. Enjoy your Friday night. Have fun. Stay safe. Enjoy the weekend. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Have fun. Stay safe. Bye bye.